Hey y'all, welcome back. Lova's Crafts here, and I have such a massive Michael's yarn haul. I had a coupon for 40% off of a regular priced item and then the 20% off the whole order. However, this is two separate orders. One of them is me actually going into the store. The other one was ordering online. I had Michael's cash online that I was able to just use immediately, where I made the mistake of going inside of Michael's because one of the items that I ordered was actually sold out, I guess, in the color that I wanted. So I was like, oh, okay, well, let's just get another color, no big deal. The online orders don't have a substitution option, so that was a little off-putting, but I went inside, made the mistake, and got more yarn. So let's start off with what I got. First things first is that I got this ice cream big scoop by lionbrand.com. I've never tried this at all. I figured this would be a really nice color to make a baby blanket with for my son, although I can see that this is kind of used for like a temperature blanket, which is awesome. I don't know, I might do it like that. That would be awesome. But this, let's see, so this has a 5mm hook, so an H8 in US, I don't go by US, for the crochet hook. This is definitely like really lightweight, and this is in the color mint, so got that, really excited to try that out. Then I got two of the loop and threads. This is Michael's brand yarn. I got two of the, what is this? Which one is this one? Oh, the brushed rainbow. So I guess this has like a little bit of a, I guess like a little bit of a white lining incorporated into the yarn. This is in the color Sky. So I got two of these. And this takes a 6mm hook. So we got that. Then we got another loop and threads. This is the Impeccable line. And this is in the color Broom Blue, or Blue Haze. Okay, Blue Haze. And this is again 5mm hook. I thought that color was really pretty. And yes, I'm really into blues. It's my favorite color, and then I'm having a boy on top of that, so this was the one I was really actually interested in. So this is the Impeccable line from Loops and Threads. This apparently is new. This is in the color Multi Glacier, and it has all those really interesting colors. So I figured like with all of these I can make a really nice kind of like all color incorporated blanket. So I did get two of those as well. Then I got the Loops and Threads. Which one's this one? Is this one also Blue Haze? Yeah, so this is also Blue Haze. Then, oh, so the Loop and Threads Classic Cotton. I did get another one in confetti because I'm honestly loving this texture. So I did make a pot holder out of the Smoke Ombre Loops and Threads Cotton. I have two extra like squares to maybe add and make a different type of set with, but I'm so like in love with the pot holder. The feeling of this really would go nice in my kitchen. So I did get another one in confetti because unfortunately, although you can make one full pot holder with the skein, you'll end up with two more squares but not being able to finish it to make another whole pot holder. So I did get more of that yarn. I love it. I actually did not think that I would love it as much as I do, but definitely do. Then, oh, what else did I get? I did get noses for my amigurumi. So I got the craft noses with the plastic washers. I still have eyeballs, so I just needed more of those. Ooh, and then that's my receipt. So then I went inside the store, and this is how I messed up my entire life. I got the Loop and Threads Soft Classic Acrylic Yarn. This is 5.5 millimeter hook to use, and this is in the color VM21. It's that beautiful, like, random rainbow, and with all the blues, I'm like, I literally have all blues. Let me shake it up with a little bit of a hot color. So I have that. Then I got something really new to me. I got the Karen Cinnamon Swirls Cake. This is what I used a 40% off coupon on. This is in the color... What color is this? Sugar Mint. I thought this would make a really pretty baby blanket as well. A lot of people are due around the same time as I am, so these are all probably going to end up making into blankets. But I've never tried the Karen brand. So they did have the cinnamon swirl cakes. A lot of them were of like the blue variety, and because I felt like I was getting too much blue, I did get this one. It has blue in it, but it looks really cool, and the purple, like the lavender, has like a white incorporation in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I got that one. Then this is the original thing that I wanted to go back into Michael's for. So part of my main order, I had gotten the Squeaky Clean Loops and Threads polyester yarn. This is in the color 04009. I'm gonna have to look up what that actual color is, but I got it in this like green, orange, white color. I originally wanted it in the color Sage. Michael's ran out of it, but my sister has been making her own sponges and own like rags to wipe down her counters and everything with this specific type of yarn. Not necessarily the same brand, but I wanted to give it a try, so I got that. And then last but not least, I did get another Bernat blanket, and I did get it in this color of the, what is this? The Country Blue. I'm going to attempt to make a Snorlax. So wish me luck, because I know one skein probably won't be enough, but he's not going to be giganto, but I did want this to at least try to make him. So that's going to be my next project. But that was my yarn haul. Let me know what you guys think of some of this yarn. I know it's a lot of loops and threads by Michaels, but I personally do like the brand. But the Karen Cinnamon Swirl Cakes, I did see a couple of really good reviews on. Let me know if you guys tried any of like the Squeaky Clean, or if you've tried like a different brand that has this type of material on it. That would be kind of really cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.